Just imagine, what if all our favorite childhood cartoon characters started studying in the same school? What would the class be like? How much fun would it be? Today we're going to see an imaginary school where Tom and Jerry, Shinchan, Doraemon, and many more characters are all together. Let's go. Let's first head to the classroom, where there's less studying and a lot more mischief.
The class begins, but instead of studying, mischief is in full swing here.
Now let's move to the school canteen, where samosas and snacks are the real heroes.
During the lunch break, the school canteen turns into a full-on cartoon fair. Everyone is busy with their food, but the one who eats the most is, of course, Bheem.
Next, let's take a look at the playground, where there's not just games, but full cartoon-style fun.
The playground is pure chaos. On one side it's football, on the other side it's gadgets, and right in the middle, Jerry is having all the fun.
And finally, the last stop for all the naughty kids, the principal's room. Let's see what happens here.
Whenever these cartoons come together, the school turns into a circus. Even the principal gets fed up with them.
So friends, how did you like this cartoon school?
Which cartoon character would you like to see in the school next? Make sure to tell us in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.